Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the old wives' tale gender prediction. Alright, so this gender prediction board is actually from Raquel's gender reveal party. And so don't mind the check marks, this is from Raquel's. And according to the old wives' tales, Raquel was supposed to be a boy. I did the same test on Rakaya as I did Raquel, and all of them showed up as a girl. So it was right with Rakaya, and it was wrong with Raquel. So take this with a grain of salt. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to use the blue post-it notes for the points for the boy, and then we're going to use the pink for the points for the girl. Chinese calendar. According to the Chinese calendar, it goes by the month of conception and the age of conception. So we conceived this baby number 3 in June, and I'm 39, so that would be a girl. So we're going to do a point for a girl. And I'll just put this on here. Hopefully it doesn't tip over because I am on my bed. So that's 1 point for the girl. Mayan calendar. According to the Mayan calendar, it goes by the same thing. So we have another point for the girl. Try to keep these straight, but no promises. Alright, baby's heartbeat. So we just had our 20-week ultrasound yesterday. And so I was 20 weeks and 1 day. We got some unfortunate news, which I'll get into in another video. The baby's heartbeat yesterday was 148. So technically anything over 140 and higher is a girl, and then 140 and lower is a boy. So that would be another point for the girl. And before then, like the past couple ultrasounds, the baby's heartbeat's been in 150s and 160s. So it's always been high. So this will be another point for the girl. Alright, so cravings, sweet or salty. I've definitely been craving sweet all the time. I normally, as a person, I crave sweets, so this isn't kind of like out of my normal, but I've craved sweets with all 3 of my pregnancies. So when you crave sweets, according to the old wives' tales, they say it's a girl. So this will be another point for girl. Morning sickness. The first trimester, no morning sickness whatsoever. Unfortunately, about 5 weeks ago, I started to experience morning sickness. So I am still dealing with it now. So the first trimester, I don't know if this goes by like the first trimester or the whole pregnancy, but the first trimester I had no morning sickness. Second trimester, maybe like 5.5 weeks ago, I started experiencing morning sickness. I have not puked, but if I don't get food right away, I get super nauseous. It lasts all day long. I've never experienced it before with my other two girls. I didn't have any kind of morning sickness, nothing. So this is something new that I've never experienced. So morning sickness, I would have to say give another point to the girl because I do have morning sickness right now. Emotions. Am I moody or am I happy? Prime example of why I think I'm very happy. The day before I found out that we were pregnant with baby number 3, our air conditioning went out, and it was like super hot, humid, and just icky out in Minnesota. And normal Becky would freak out and be like, what are we gonna do? Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? And I would freak out. I was super calm, and I just said, things could be worse. That's not me. So I would have to give the point for this to the boy because I've been super calm for all the stress that I've been through lately. So this point, we finally get 1 for boy. Skin. Is my skin soft or is it dry? I've been extremely dry this whole pregnancy. I still am. My skin is abnormally dry more than it ever has been. I don't think it's ever been this dry. Another point for the boy. Do I sleep on my right side, which is a girl, or do I sleep on my left side? I would have to say hands down I sleep on my left side. That's my favorite side to sleep. So this would be another point for the boy. Headaches. Headaches, I've had a few, and I never really have headaches normally. I would definitely have to give this to the boy. Carrying. Am I carrying high or low? I personally think I'm carrying high. So this would be a point for the girl. Definitely carrying high. And I'll insert a picture right here for you guys. I definitely think I'm carrying high. Beauty. So is it stolen or am I glowing? Me personally, I think that my hair's dry, my skin's dry. I don't think I'm glowing this pregnancy, so I would definitely have to give this to the boy. So the ring swing test, I have not done yet, and I will do that with Maurice tonight. I'll have him do that. So I'll do that later with my husband. Baking soda test, I'll insert that video right here for you guys. Alright you guys, as you can see, clearly the baking soda test was no fizz. So no fizz is a girl and fizz is a boy. Normally with the fizzes, when it fizzes, like with Rakaya, hands down, there's no fizz whatsoever. With Raquel, it fizzed up to like almost a half of an inch, at least, like a beer fizzes up. So this one definitely was no fizz. So this is a point for the girl. Acne. Did I have acne? Do I have acne? Yes. First trimester and this whole time I break out at least with 1 to 2 pimples a week. It's like constant, like I know I have some right here and whatever. It's whatever. It's hormones and everything. We're gonna have to give a point for the girl because I definitely have acne. Alright, so belly. Is it a watermelon or is it a basketball? I definitely feel like my belly is more of a basketball. So I'm going to give this point to the boy. Alright, and then husband's weight, I believe he stayed the same. He hasn't really gained. He never gained with any of the other two either. So we're going to have to give this point to the boy. Alright, so I did 2 other tests during this whole thing. And one of them was the cabbage test. And the cabbage test, I'll insert it right here. I poured the exact same amounts, 30 milliliters, into the little plastic cup I got from one of the other tests. And I poured them exact same amounts, and then it came out purple. If it's purple, it's a girl. If it's red or pink, it's a boy. So I will have to give that point to the girl. And I'm just gonna put that point for the red cabbage test up here. So we also did a Gender Bliss Making the Weight Fun Boy or Girl Baby Gender Prediction Kit. I'll link this. I actually found this on Amazon. It was actually recommended when I was watching like a gender prediction video like a long time ago. So I decided to grab it. I bought it, kind of forgot about it. It was sitting in my closet. And this is before we told everybody that we were pregnant, so I was kind of hiding it. And that's why I forgot about it, because it was sitting in my closet. But this one, I'll insert the picture right here for you guys. This definitely, it's more of like a brownish, orangish. And then that says it's a girl. If it's green or like a light green or a dark green, that means it's a boy. And this is definitely the orangish color, like orange/brown. So that is another point for girl. So I'm going to put another point for the girl, and then we'll tally these up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boy. So even if I do the ring test, it does not matter because the girl has definitely won. So according to the old wives' tales, we are having a girl. Alright, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.